What is going on, yo? Robert Sykes, Live Savage Apparel. If you can't see him, we got Rigel here at the feet of us making all kinds of noise. But we are super stoked because we are firing up the printing press again and rocking and rolling with some new designs in 2024. So we kind of put the pause button on the apparel because we had all the competitions last year. We had a whole bunch of conferences. We had just a bunch of chaos over the past 12 months. But we were excited to fire back up the press and rock and roll. So every year I do a manifesto. 2023's manifesto was Discipline Dictates Destiny, which you can see here. That mantra is what got me through all the competitions, and it's pretty much what I leaned on because motivation is waning. You have to have discipline to make it through all the highs and lows in life. 2024's manifesto is Reflect, Recalibrate, and Re-engage, because I've got so much stuff going on right now, so many moving pieces. I feel like I just need to get things dialed in, optimized, polished, and just truly performing at the best level that they can be. So that's the mantra for 2024. The 2023 manifesto is going to be offered in both a female font, which is what you see here, a little bit more, I don't know, how would you describe that?
Feminine.
A feminine font.
Yeah, font, yeah.
All right, so this is the other font for Discipline Dictates Destiny.
So the female version and the male version. Obviously, if you're a female, you don't have to get the female version, but we just thought we'd make it like the lettering a little bit more feminine, a little more, I don't want to say dainty, but you know.
And on the 2023, they both have the date 2023. On the 2024 design, we've got the broad head on the back, behind the head, obviously, and then the 2024 is just beneath that. So because we're doing these as a manifesto launch, they're each going to have their accompanying year with them. So when we print the manifesto designs, that's it for the year. You can't really get them the next year. But we didn't do anything in 2023, so I kind of had to rewind a little bit and get that launched. But super excited about both of these designs, both of these mantras. Discipline Dictates Destiny. You know, hold that dear in my heart. Reflect, recalibrate, re-engage. That means a lot to me as well, as I'm sure it will all y'all in some form or fashion. But yeah, we're super stoked about it. We got the press fired back up. We're back in there printing some shirts. We got these on the t-shirts, both black and gray. We're gonna offer them on thermals, black and heather gray, and we've got the light gray for the female thermal here. It's a little bit more snug fitting, a little tighter fitting, but we still got a few more weeks of cold, so I figured the thermal was relevant. These are honestly my favorite thermals ever.
And I'm wearing a medium and everything, and Robert's wearing a large and everything.
Yeah, this is a large. Sometimes I go back and forth between extra large and large. They don't shrink that much in the wash, but sometimes, depending on where I'm at with my calories, my macros, how big I am, go between large and extra large. But yeah, that's what we got going on, y'all. So 2023 manifesto, 2024 manifesto, launching on Sunday. What is this Sunday? Today's the 5th, 6th, 7th?
Yep. Sunday
the 7th at noon Central Time. So we're super stoked about it. See y'all at livesavageapparel.com.